Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video and I'll be teaching you guys how to make glow-in-the-dark slime. I am so excited because it's awesome and very easy to make. If you guys want to learn how to make glow-in-the-dark slime, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever I post new cool videos. Let's get glowing! Alright guys, so what you will need to make this glow-in-the-dark slime is glue. I'm using blue glue, activator, shaving cream, and most importantly, the glow-in-the-dark powder. So let's make the slime. Okay, so the first ingredient to make the glow-in-the-dark slime is glue. I use blue glue. If you only have white glue, just add in food coloring of your choice. I poured in half a bottle of glue. Depending on how much slime you want to make, go ahead and use as much as you would like. The second ingredient is shaving cream. Don't use too much, that way it won't be too fluffy. Now mix in the first two ingredients. Once it's mixed well, go ahead and pour in the activator. Make sure you add a little at a time. Now it's time to dig in. This is my favorite part. Just play with it. It will soon start to get together. Now that it's ready, let's play a little with the slime. Last but not least, add the glow-in-the-dark powder. Mix it in well. I'm not sure what stores have the glow-in-the-dark powder, but I got mine off of Amazon. Let the fun begin. In order for your slime to glow in the dark, you have to put it under a lamp or any light for a while so it can glow. On a quick note, the longer it stays under a light, the longer and stronger it will glow. I set mine under a light just for 10 minutes. So that's how you make glow-in-the-dark slime. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.